So, hello and welcome back. New vlog, new place. Actually in the Borrowdale Valley, so we're going to shoot some waterfalls today. Should be quite nice. Just got a bit of a walk first, and obviously finding parking is a problem, which it always is though, isn't it? So we're going to, is it Gallany or something like that? Oh, hello bird. It's very pretty. Shoot waterfalls, maybe a couple of standard kind of landscape shots, and the usual you kind of see from my stuff. Bit of a last minute thing this really. Wasn't really kind of planning going out, so this is on my list of many places to go, and it's only about an hour away from actually where I live. Never been here before. Looks good so far, but again it's the Lake District, isn't it? And it's stunning. Right, it looks like it might start to rain. I don't know if it maybe just drips off the trees. Hopefully it won't, it might stay off. If it does rain, then there'll be less of this, because I'm going to have to put the gimbal in and kind of just record a bit so I don't get wet. So still take pictures, but there might not be a vlog, I don't know. We'll just have to see what happens with it. Nice walk so far though. Not enjoying this path, it's a bit rocky. You can't have it all, can you? Always a very exciting noise. I can hear water, as in a waterfall. I'm not actually at the falls yet though, so I wonder if it's just maybe a fast flowing river. Oh, I can see it. Tiny little thing. We can always have a look, can't we? Yeah, I'm not convinced. Basically going to carry on walking, and then if it doesn't pan out, then I can always come back to it and have a look around. But yeah, I'm not really completely convinced by that shot. I think there's probably shots there, but not really what I came for. So we'll get back to it, which is easy enough because I need to walk back this way anyway.
And I blame myself. I should have blamed myself. But that's what I've heard. And now I'm staying alive and the sun is out. What can we just go and spend it all where we wanna be?
So, kind of just heading back. Obviously, time restraints and rain. Just can't afford to get the gear out and get it soaked. There's no point. Not when I'm close. I can just come back. But I've just been to Black Moss Pot. Crazy name, but very cool. Some guys were jumping in. Got some photos of them, which I will show you. And I'll put up the landscape images I've got. So that's it. Until next time. Hopefully it's a little bit nicer, and the weather's a bit better, and rain doesn't stop playing. So I am back in the car. I am considerably wetter than when I started. Like proper soggy. One of those places I really do need to go up, because that's epic. There's like, on the map it really only says there's 2 waterfalls, but there's, I reckon, 6 or 7, quite easily to be honest. Really, really nice, and it's just nice just to get out, isn't it? Like, you know, I think that's something I always say, isn't it? On the way back, I did go a different way, and in between the rain, I did manage to get a couple of other images. So I'll show you them now. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like usual, please subscribe if you like this video. The video after this will be the behind the scenes of how I made this. Basically a bit of a vlog within a vlog. That's if all goes to plan and if I actually got the right footage. But please subscribe, and so you get a notification for the next one. And the next one should be quite good. Well, fingers crossed again. See you later. Bye.
Started to realize